All right, let's go through each one. The answer is, of course, this one, and this one. The first one was you can write to a primary or secondary node and the database will forward the write to the primary. This is not true in MongoDB. You have to write to the primary node, and if you try to write to a secondary, it will fail. The second is replication supports mixed mode storage engines. Absolutely. That's because it's a statement-based approach to replication, and I explained that. So you could, for instance, have an mmap v1 primary and a wired tiger secondary. A copy of the oplog is kept on both primary and secondary servers. Absolutely true. You can read from a primary or secondary by default. Not true. You can read from a primary by default, and then, let's say in the Mongo shell, you could say slave OK, and then you can read from the secondary. And in the drivers, there are other options to allow you to read from a secondary. And there are implications to reading from a secondary, in particular that the secondary may be slightly out of date with respect to the primary. So if you're writing to a primary and reading to a secondary, you could read to it before the replication occurs. So you have to be OK with this weaker consistency model if you want to read from a secondary. And finally, the oplog is implemented as a capped collection, and this is true as well.